Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to use proxies in Premiere Pro. So proxies are these little files that are basically your file but in lower resolution. So with it, playback is smooth and you can edit it like nothing. So first step, you'll have to find your clip right here in project. If you don't see project right here, click this arrow and go over here to project. Find your clip, right click on it, go over to proxies and create proxies. Then choose a path where you want your proxies to be created. So I will choose next to original media, proxy folder, and choose your frame size. So let's see half, or I will pick quarter. So this basically will be easier to play back. And then click on OK. Now media encoder should open, and media encoder will render these proxies for you, so you don't have to worry about it. And now, as you can see, media encoder is done rendering my file, and you should know it by this check mark right here. So you can close it, close the media encoder, go over to Premiere and to your file, next to your tutorial clips. So let's say proxies right here. You can see take a clip, proxies. Click on proxies, and here you have your shaky clip proxy. So how to enable it? Because right now I see only this. So this is the original clip. You have to go over here to plus, to button editor, and find the proxy toggler. So this is actually toggle proxies. Then you drag and drop it right here. Press OK. And now, as you can see, when you click on it to activate it, now it switches. So now I see the proxy, and when I deactivate it, I see the original clip. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.